Here we go. I got it all going in. I'm gonna come around down here and start pretty much right off the house. I think this here is where the wooden structure's right here in front of me. I don't see it right now. I think water's got to go out a teeny bit more for it to get the relief in the water. See it. And he really cleans something up when they clean it up. I'll tell you that. Here's the boards here on the other side of this tree. Alright, I gotta set my water cooler down. So I won't go be far from it today. It's gonna be bad. It's bad when it's like that, and it's like that now. Safari time. Alright. Listen. It's weird. I don't know what that's about, but everything works fine. I'll get you back out as soon as we got something really cool. Alright, folks. Just hit a 35 in that hole. 36, it's round, so see if it's a shotgun bullet. It shouldn't be. Anyway, it's right there. That looks to be it's a coin. Ooh. That is silver coin? I think it is. Ha! I found a nail, a big bolt that's up here by my bag. This was my second target. I believe we got silver. Why is it a 35? It's definitely silver. We got us a coin. Silver coin right here. Yeah, this is my first video in a long time. What is that? Let's go get some water. This is monumental. It almost went somewhere else today. Might have found something there too, but first coin in the water here in this spot. Definitely silver. It might be just a mercury, but hey, it's silver and it's really, no, it's super thin. This ain't no mercury, it's gotta be real. Or something like that. We might have something super cool. No, I think it's real. Can't really see it, can you guys? Huh. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with. That's dirty right there. The water's so hot. There's sheds in here from the crabs. Man, I don't know. This could be a flowing hair coin. I mean, that could very well be her. Don't know. Let's get the camera. Hang on, I'm going to get the phone out. You won't notice any different hardly. And just like that, there it is. Got dirt on it already. Look, I mean, that's my bag. I just set the bag down. Dug that hole. It was a huge old bolt. I'm thinking that's a girl. A woman right there. It's not a normal coin though. It's one I've never found, I'm pretty sure. Look how thin that thing is. Alright. Pictures. Another target right there. 56. After that silver dime, or whatever that thing is. Dime. Half real sized. Something or another. I think that's a flowing head, pretty sure. It's old and thin. Going in for another. Let's see. 55. Oh, it might be a sinker or something, a bullet. Is that it? What's that? It's a chunk of lead, I think. No, it's a daggone stone. There ain't nothing. It says it's here, though. I keep bending y'all over too far, don't I? Yeah. Here we go. You want to find it? Oh, it's a daggone button. A little teeny button. Look at that. Nope. Might be a tack. Really old tack. Yep, furniture tack. I didn't even bring my bag today. I didn't know I was going to be tearing it up like this. I need that bag. Wait, look, there's a... Let's go over here. The crabs are shedding right now. That's why there ain't hardly nothing in the bay. That's old crab shed. See them backed up out of here. Got himself a new body. So there's soft crabs in here shedding. That's kind of cool. Alright, so yeah. Till I need a bigger bag, I'm staying down here. Hit a 44 right here. I'm going to excavate that. See how far out I can go. Coins found back over here behind this bunch of wood docking stuff. That now is, that was probably up out of the water at one point, but now it's in the water. There's a little, that's a little fish right there. $46 now. Yeah, if I get a beep on it, it's in trouble, folks. Here's another tack. Somebody threw some furniture in here. There's two tacks in the pocket. That's gonna feel good later. This wet going was another 45 or so, 46. Might be another tack. Could be anything at this point. We don't know. Oh, look how shiny that is. It's a can. That's what it is. I think a piece of can. No, might be brass. Might be a can. I think it's a can. Yep. Put that up there in the Canslaw graveyard. Let's see. Oh shoot. It's a button. I see him round. Wow, look at that clasp on there. Isn't this something? Man, come on, really? I'm gonna just rub that dirt on that. Get that button come out. Spit in the water. Man, shoot, right on the back of her. This second to the coin. This is fantastic right here. That's a daggone nice coin button. Hoping for a coin, but button's go to work. Man, look at this. That's nasty. My boat hook doesn't have a place to hook in these. Got my long john boots on. This is, well, everything's gonna get nasty. Everything. Oh, let's see that. Mishap. Popped off. I don't even use that little rubber thing. It's pretty much not that wonderful anyway. It holds on pretty good. So let's get digging again. Silver squirrel, where are you? Look at that tune. I don't even know what to say. That's such a gate. Let's go dig it up. Hopefully it's not in this piece of wood. That would be discouraging for a coating tune to be in there. So let's move it. Nope, 88, 91 underneath it there. Let's see if it's even close to the surface. No. Nope. So it's... I think this could be a can. Even though it's such a great tone, it's better than any of the can tones I got. Might be a whole can. Everything else is in pieces. Could be trash. But if I had a squirrel, he'd be digging this up, not me. I'd find the good stuff. Yep. Holding at 88, 87 now. 87 wasn't in the meter while ago. I don't like that. Let my meter stay right there. Jordan Corbin put the final welds on this and made her great. She'd popped already. Yeah. Stainless steel emergency door handle. Almost unbreakable. This is not sounding like a coin anymore, folks. It's turned into trash. Garbage salvage. I would be surprised if something good comes out of this hole now. Way too big sounding. Plus it's huge silver. With this. Huh. Yeah, I ain't liking none of that at all. This could be multiple targets or just garbage. Oh my gosh. There she is. Bottle top. I'm gonna put it right over there because I'm not metal detecting over there. Well, geez. Quiet as a mouse. Silver right here. Now I'm coming back. That's where I found the belt buckle. Go anywhere. There's a lot of trash. Aluminum fragments up in here. That's all. Ooh. I like that one. That's a deep target. That's a deep 90 something target. If I had my squirrel, wouldn't be digging this trash. He'd already have it out here. Dave's the doorman boy. He can clean this place out in no time. Another 91. That'll be a bottle cap. In the bottom. 91's not a great number, really. Unless it's like bent. Oh, that sounds big. Can't be a can that deep. Alright. Magic hammer. Come on. Get her out of there. Yeah. $90. 91. Is it a largie? Or a piece of copper? I mean, aluminum. Is it a piece of aluminum? Oh, it's huge. I think it's a can. Nope. Piece of brass. Or copper. Flattened. Is this an artifact? Bent? Could be. I don't know if I'm putting this in my pocket though. Heck was that noise? Did you hear it? That's leather in there. What would that have been? Leather inside of that right there. I'm going to chunk it back up there on the bank so I can get it later. Alright, just dug something around. No idea at this point. I think it's going to be a nickel or something. Couldn't get it. It's either that or some kind of fatty coin. Yeah, and that might be a washer. Nothing on it so far. I think that stuff will come off. Secretions. This copper. Could be a farthing or a penny. Penny would be odd, but it could be. See, we're getting some color in there. Oh, that looks like a shield. This could be a neat looking Indian. Could be just a penny. Let's leave it, you know, could be always that, but this is awful clean. Could it be an eagle? Nope, I think it's going to be an Indian head, I think. She's eating. You see the one set right there. That's an Indian head. Look at that. How about that for El Culo? Bam! Without the squirrel, I did that. I found my own trash and got some coins. 2 now. These are the first 2 coins come out of this pond. Real. Actually, I've only found. Let me take this off. I gotta drain my eyeballs. They are soaked. Whew. I found a barber quarter up here on top. Excuse me. And a few pennies. Only one other Indian head. So how cool is that? Right behind me here is where the dime was. So I've come all the way back from way over there. Figuring that I got in all them cans. I figured something wrong. This big old sucker will set off a metal detector quick. Alright, let's carry it on, guys. Hang in there. Looks like I've got a deep one right here. I don't know what it is yet, but we're going to dig it up. Take care of this water here. I know that. I ain't dropping that. Hang in there. God. That's it. It's tight out here. Let's dig this thing up. It's in here somewhere. I'd lost. No, maybe it's over there. Let's see. Yep, it's over here. Oh, God, what the world? Might be a piece of that dock down there. Believe it or not, with my shovel, I cut right through that dock. Perfect hole. That's how waterlogged that wood is. From being there for 200 years. Alright. She's out, and she's saying a 76, just like that penny. Where are you? What is that? Shiny, looks like a bullet. Yep. Old stank bullet. Jacket. Huh. Pretty though, huh? I'll take it home. Stay over here. I think I got it in my hand. Yeah. So it's something cool, but it's not. It's just a part of that bullet. So I think it is. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. So I don't have my other stuff. So there's two of them here. Of course, that bullet does make that double chop sound. They sound like two targets, but okay. Finally found something else cool, I think. Not sure. What's that? I suppose that is. Either way, interesting little knob. There's a pretty good little number. 93. What is that? It's big. This could be something cool right here. Huh. What is that? Huh. It might have been a little teeny bit right there. We need water. There isn't any. It's coming in though. It's moved in like 60 feet since we got here. Let's see. Water. There we go. Minnows in that hole. Sorry folks. Is this like a shoe piece or something? It's a little thick though. Huh. I know you know what it is. You're just not going to tell me, are you? Because the squirrel's not here. I understand. A stick. Here's my squirrel implements it because I don't have a toothbrush. Brush of the future. Meat stick of the future. Why is this like this? It was pretty heavy duty, huh? Must have had to be important. Worth millions. What the heck? Where did that come from? Huh. Folks, I don't know about that. I gotta check behind me real quick. That was mud that fell from somewhere. It had a shoe print on it. Did you see it? It landed right over here. Artifact bath. It's like, don't laugh. You suckers all did it too. There's water in here. Save the minnows. I need that bigger. Presto! Just like that. What is that? I know. No idea either. But now it can go in my pocket. Well, yeah, that's it for today. You see the footprints down there? Holy cow. Just getting back up that hill is enough. But yeah, I'm toast. They've mowed all this down. I guess they'll keep it down, so it's going to be wonderful. We're going to do some pretty good metal detecting up in here. Eventually. Let it cool down. Look how that water's come up in there already. Till the next video, guys. We'll see you then.